everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a beach pour on this 16 by inch wood round. I got some really fun colors, mica powders from EyeCandy. I'm really excited about the colors that I got. This is like a pack that comes in like 30, and there's, oh my gosh, the colors are so amazing. There's so many different shades of blues and greens and purples and oranges and reds and every color, like a few shades of each, which is kind of cool. And then I also got a little pack of the shimmer flakes. It's just like the glittery ones. And then I've been wanting to get a really good white, because it's really, I'm sorry about my hands, I did another painting, sorry about that. So I got their white pigment. It's a kind of a liquid. It's really thick, but you barely have to use any. Like, I didn't even put hardly any on the end of my stick, and it got that white. I'm super excited about that, because a lot of mica powders, like, if you have to use quite a bit to get a really good white, like not a translucent, I don't know how to say that, but you know, where you kind of can see through, kind of, I don't know, you know what I'm talking about. My words are stumbling around in my mind. But so for the sand, I'm using, look at this beautiful color. It's got some shimmer in it because I added a little bit of gold. So I added in their Bushido brown and then the 14 karat gold, nugget gold. I added that together for my brown. Or kind of sand, I should say, not necessarily brown, but it's going to be a pretty color. Then for the blues, I have 3 different shades of blues. I have, this is ocean blue, which is going to be the lighter of the 3. Just look at how pretty that is. So pretty. And then I have a dark ocean blue, which is just a little bit darker. Really pretty color too. They have such beautiful shimmer to them. Not really glittery shimmery, just really pretty shimmer. And then from the darker blue, I'm using, I think it's Nioxin blue, if I pronounced that correctly. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that's just such a beautiful blue. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. All right, and then I have some shells that I'm going to put in too as well. Maybe a few crystals. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. I'm going to put on a little bit of music. I've never done a beach pour with the resin before, so you're going to have to bear with me. But I will kind of speed it up a little bit so that way you don't have to, watch out, Mama. Because I'm sure it'll take a while to get this done. So we'll put on some music and let's get creative. gonna keep working on this. Put on my second layer. I'm happy with how the bottom has turned out so far. Just wipe this off real good here. You know, I wish I could, I was thinking of putting like a wall barrier up, but because of the curve of it, it just kind of kept coming over the top. So I wasn't able to do that. So hopefully I can get it to kind of hang on a little bit better and not roll off the canvas. So I don't think I'm going to add any more of the brown for my sand. I'm just going to kind of put my blues down in the white. I love this color the way it is. It looks really pretty. Okay, everybody, so I'm here for my, I'm going to put, this will be the third layer that I'm putting down. The last one I did, I ended up putting a little bit more of the sand color in and then kind of just leaving the edge of white here. Though I'm going to today take the blues again and and then I have a little, I just have the two blues mixed up that I'm going to use. And then I do have a little bit of white that I'm going to try to blend out some of this wave. I don't want this to be this solid, obviously. But I was just trying to get some in here because this, like, I'm happy with the way this is now because I want some sand. I might put a little bit more water waves coming up this way, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get started here.
So I will put a link in the description for EyeCandy mic powders, and they also have the paste. I love this white. Gosh, you just need like such the small amount to get, obviously made too much, but just look at how white that is. Like, it's beautiful. I'm really pleased with this. This little container here is going to last forever. But you'll have to tell me what you think. I will, like I said, I'll put a link in the description for EyeCandy pigment powders and pigment, and mica powders, I'm sorry, and pigments. I'm super excited about using them and being affiliated with them. They have so many beautiful colors, and the colors are just stunning and shimmery, and I know it's hard to see on top of there, but gosh, there's so much. And so I'll put the link in the description. It's EyeCandy Pigments. Yeah, they're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So many different ones. I have some with some glitter in them too, and I can't wait to. I'm gonna try to make a geode and stuff out of some too, and yeah, and I have some molds that I'm gonna use, and I'm excited to use this stuff with too as well. So I will end the video. I'm sorry about my scratchy voice again, still my throat. I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know hopefully it's not too terribly long. I'm gonna kind of speed up the video and play a little music like when I am using the heat gun and stuff, so that way it's not too loud and too long of a video, obviously. But yeah, I thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed, and you will like and subscribe and share and comment, and that helps my channel out tremendously. Also, if you want to hit that notification bell, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. I usually post a video on every Wednesday and every Sunday, and then sometimes I do random ones throughout the week here and there, just when I'm doing a collaboration or a review or something like that, something that's not terribly long. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. I appreciate your support, and I will put the link in the description for EyeCandy Pigments. I also used Epoxy Resin, which I'm affiliated with them as well, so I'll have a link in the description for them. And yeah, I do thank you guys for watching. I will bring you down for a close-up. All right, everybody, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I think maybe my sand probably could have been a little bit lighter, not as dark, but I think it's beautiful anyway. It reminds me of, well, so the sand in San Diego by Coronado Beach is where my son used to live. It was a little bit darker, more brown, even maybe even closer to a black with the gold flakes in it. It's really pretty. So I don't know. This is a little bit more gold, but, or coppery brown, I guess, but it's beautiful.
If you can see the shimmer in all of these mica powders, like they're just gorgeous. This is going to be really beautiful when it's all the way dry. I mean, it's beautiful already, but... And then these shells I all got at the beach in San Diego. Oops, I'm going to have to blow that one out there. Stuck my finger right in there. But these shells I got all at the beach in San Diego when I was there a couple years ago. Yeah, so I do thank you guys for watching. I'm going to have to get some sand put in from the beach that I can mix in here instead of doing this. But I thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.